So I want to take some of the chocolate and kind of pour it in here. I can spread it out with a spatula, get inside that door again where that chocolate's already set. Take some graham cracker crumbs and push them in here. Okay, so while this is everything's still away, what we can do is take some royal icing with a leaf tip, tip 352, and I want to squeeze from the bottom and pull up. Stop squeezing and pull away. Okay, do one more right up here. Some shorter ones in front. And then turn it around this way so I can get to the other side. Squeeze, pull it up, stop squeezing. There we go. Great. Okay, so now I can go ahead and attach the pig. I'm going to move a little of this out of the way, and I can do that with the chocolate also. Let's see, we have another hay bale. Put a little chocolate under that also. Okay, a little bit more of the graham cracker around here. Then we're going to take the royal icing, we're going to go around the edge of the board, and that's going to keep the graham crackers in. Okay, so now I've got some royal icing just in a bag without a tip, and I'm just going to squeeze it. Like I said, it's just going to kind of hold some of that graham cracker in. It's just going to help pop the piece a little bit by just having that green out there. And what I want to do is just cover up that cardboard. It's okay if you see the black around the edge, but you don't want to see the cardboard. I'll come around the back and fill in this back area. Okay, and I can do, go back to the leaf tip and just do a couple little weed type things in here. So squeeze, pull the tip up. Just again to add a little bit more of the color in there. That's good. And I think we're ready for our little chick now.